Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Let's cook together. You will definitely know how delicious it is if you have tasted curry powder omelette. It's easy and anyone can make this delicious omelette at home. You just need 2 ingredients for this recipe: 3 eggs and bittergourd. Chopped bittergourd horizontally and vertically. Crack eggs into bowl and mixed well. Season with light soy sauce, pepper powder and curry powder, then beat egg until frothy. Heat oil in fried egg. Don't flip it first and let the bottom solidify. Flip when bottom solidified and let it fry. Look at the egg. You can smell the egg and curry powder fragrant now. Fried for 1 minute. Bittergourd omelette is done. Wow! Don't worry, bittergourd does not taste bitter at all. Curry powder blended well with egg and bittergourd. This omelette tastes really good. You will fall for it. Try and share this recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Do follow my channel, yeah. See you in next video.